Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. It's been a big month for Michigan bikes here at the shop. We've gotten 8 bikes from Michigan in the past 30 days. The latest one is a beautiful, beautiful Street Glide. Super mint condition custom bike. I guess the client bought the bike with the audio already done on it, and it had some older equipment. The install was flawless. I'm not sure who did the install first, but they did a great job. The 1200.4 that was in the fairing is the same size as the current 5000 from Sound Digital. So the bike was underpowered by today's standards. They did a great job of shoehorning all this equipment. We had, there was a 1000-watt 4-channel lamp in the saddlebag, and then there was a 1200 watt that took up the entire fairing, then a smaller 400 watt to run the tweeters. So we pulled all that out, went with the smaller evox 2 1200.4s, and in the same amount of space, we were able to fit 2 1200s and a 3000. We ran the 3000 in the tour pack. We took the amp out of the saddlebag because we were sealing and porting the saddlebags. They had some inside mount 10-inch rings, and they were running Hertz mid-range 10s because Hertz does not make a mid-bass 10. You gotta remember, this install is a few years old. So we upgraded the mid-range 10s to mid-bass 10s. We swapped out the inside mount ring for an outside mount ring. That way we can seal and port the bags. With the inside mount ring, if you seal them, you won't be able to remove the woofer if it needs service or warranting. So we converted the rings to outside mount, sealed and ported the bags. We reran, they use Stinger oxygen-free copper wiring, which is the same stuff we use here. We just added a few additional runs going to the fairing and one going to the tour pack. Already had a Braille lithium battery under the seat, so we did an additional Braille lithium battery under the tail. Had an older Sony non-waterproof head unit. We upgraded that to the waterproof Diamond Audio radio, and an HCAM mini DSP. Did Cicada components in the fairing, did Cicada CH coaxes in the tour pack, and we left the mid-ranges that were in the lids already. Rewired, retuned everything. The bike sounds phenomenal. It's actually on its way back home now. It's a 12-hour trip, so the bike should be getting to the client in the next couple hours. Check out the build. We had fun with this one. Forgot to mention, what made this build a little bit more difficult is we had to get it done while the driver was actually staying in the hotel. So it wasn't worth it for the driver to go all the way back and then come all the way back and then go all the way back. So we actually stayed for 3 or 4 days while I put 2 guys on it. Kyle did the bags, Ed Rock did the audio wiring, and then we got the bike done, and bike came in on Monday and left on Wednesday night. So then while we were doing that, we had some insurance work to do for Rich's bike on his CVO. He got hit on one side, luckily he's okay. So we had to rebuild the factory bag on the left side, fiberglass, sealed, port, reinstall the speakers, warranty, swap out the top speakers. So we got both bikes done at the same time. They came up with the same driver, same trailer, and they're both heading back home.
Yo, I'm from where the hammers ring. They damage everything. Niggas tell signs.
So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business. So back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention. So it might hurt to hit it.
In the stillness of a man, was you lost? Thunder only happens when it's raining.
I've been drunk, twisted, low, puffing non-stop on the block, getting dough. All day, all day, all day, all day, all day, all day, all day. Cause I'm a fool, clubbing, bucking, oh, don't wipe me down from my head to my toe. All day, 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 all day. Run a damn shoot, can't nobody do it like Van Bull do. I can't stand straight cause I'm on that. I ain't try.